The 2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000+ pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, traction control, automatic stability control, center armrest, child safety locks, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.